Hi, this is Tracy Townsend. I'm an account manager with Connie, Connecticut's Health Information Exchange. In this video, Emily Agumbo, project manager from CRISP Shared Services, will demonstrate how to access Connie's image share.
Today, I'll be showing you how to access images in the portal. Images are available via the portal in full diagnostic quality. If you are logging in through the web portal, your first step will be to search for a patient's record. Then you must select the correct record and click on the clinical information tile. I would like to note that if you are using the In Context app within your EMR, open the app, select the correct patient record if necessary, and navigate to the clinical information section. Now that the clinical information section is open, you will need to click on Health Records. And from this view, you can see all health records that have been submitted for this patient. If you would like to only view radiology records, click on this radiology subtab. From this view, you will see all radiology reports that have been submitted for this patient. Radiology reports from organizations that share images with the HIE will have camera icons next to them. You can click on the camera icon to open an image. That's what we see here. Or you can click on the report, then click on the camera icon from here. That's what can be seen here, same image. In addition, there is an imaging worklist button. Once clicked, it will open up a separate window. This worklist shows you all available images from image sharing participants dating back to 20 years ago. Please note that only images are available in this worklist and not radiology reports. Here are a few important features. The green and orange dots reflect whether an image is cached or not. Green cached images will appear much faster than orange non-cached images. Non-cached images are typically older than 90 days. Click the Load button to load non-cached images. You can view up to 4 images at a time by checking in the boxes here. For purposes of this demonstration, I will select 2 images to view at once. When you open up an image, there are several tools along the top that can be used for image analysis. For example, there's a ruler tool in case you need to measure something that's present in the image. There are also markup tools that allow you to draw or highlight certain aspects of the images. One tool that I always like to highlight is this collaboration feature, where I turn this function on here. If you and your colleague are in 2 different places and need to review the same image, you can both toggle this button and will now see each other's movements on this page. Here I am, and as you can see, here's my colleague, if we need to make reference to anything in this image in order to plan for our patient's care. Thank you. This concludes the image viewing demonstration.